Customer feedback should not be a guessing game. With CronySoft Customer Survey, you can collect ratings, complaints, and feedbacks directly from your customers. In this video, we'll go over the Customer Survey module inside CronySoft's BackOffice. To begin, go to the CRM, then click Customer Survey. Or you could use the Smart Search instead. Once the Customer Survey page opens, you can review all customer feedback records in one place. At the top, you will see tabs like All and In-Store. The All tab shows all available survey records, while In-Store helps you review feedback collected from in-store customers. The main table shows customer survey details such as rating, type, channel, date and time, and details. You can also use the date filter to review feedback from a specific time period. If needed, use Search to find specific survey records or use Export to download the survey data. On the left side of each survey record, there is an Action button. Click View Details to open the full feedback details pop-up. Here you can review customers' ratings, type, channel, date and time, and any extra details submitted with the survey. Next, click Summary. The summary page gives you a quick dashboard view of customers' feedback performance. You can review important totals such as total responses, satisfaction score, negative feedback, and total complaints. This helps store owners and managers understand how customers are responding overall. If customers are submitting complaints or low ratings, this page helps bring that information to the surface faster. Now click Complaints. The Complaints section is used to review customer complaints activity. Complaints may come through the customer-facing survey or through a QR code action, depending on how the store has configured the survey. This gives managers one place to check customer issues and follow up when needed. Now let's go to the Setup. This is where you configure the customer-facing experience. Inside the Setup section, you will see three main sections: Feedback Setup, QR Action Setup, and TV Menu. On the right side, you will see a live preview of how the customer-facing screen will look. As you make changes on the left side, you can review the results on the right side before saving. First, open the Feedback Setup. This section lets you customize the customer survey questions and rating options. For example, the main question can be, "How was your experience today?" And the subtitle can say, "Your feedback helps us serve you better." Below that, you can set up the rating options customers will select from. The default options include very bad, bad, okay, good, and excellent. Each rating can have its own emoji and label. Each rating option can also have follow-up questions. For example, if a customer chooses very bad, you can ask, "What went wrong?" Then you can add answer options such as long wait time, pricing issues, product unavailable, or any other options. For an OK rating, you can ask how we can do better, and you can add options like faster checkouts, more product choices, better pricing, cleaner space, and other options. This allows the store to collect more meaningful feedback instead of only receiving a rating. If any required fields are missing, the system will highlight them before saving. Next, open QR Action Setup. This section lets you create customer-facing QR code actions. These QR codes can be used for options like orders, registrations, and complaints. The system will show the title, URL, and QR code preview. You can copy the URL, remove a QR code, add a blank QR code, or use a preset QR option. On the customer-facing preview, these QR codes can appear below the rating section so customers can quickly scan and take action. For example, a customer can scan a QR code to place an order, register, or submit a complaint. Next, we have the TV menu. This section lets you choose what TV menu content should display on the customer-facing screen. You can select a TV menu either from available templates or from one you created from scratch using the Store TV Menu Pro module. Once selected, the TV menu preview will appear on the customer-facing screen along with the survey rating options and QR code sections. This is useful because the screen can show customer feedback options, QR codes, and store promotions all in one place. For example, you can display a store promotion, deal menu, item advertisement, or TV menu template while customers are viewing the survey screen. To learn more about the TV menu customization, head over to our back office tutorials playlist and watch the TV Menu Pro full tutorial. After configuring the feedback setup, QR actions, and TV menu, click Save. This saves the customer survey setup. Once saved, the customer-facing survey screen is ready to collect ratings, feedbacks, complaints, and QR code interactions. Instead of guessing what customers think, managers can review actual feedback inside the back office. You can track satisfaction, negative feedback, complaints, customer rating details, and in-store responses. You can also display QR codes and TV menu promotions on the customer-facing screen. This helps the store collect feedback, promote offers, and guide customers to the right action from one screen. And that is how you use Customer Survey inside CronySoft's back office. Customer Survey helps customers turn feedback into useful information so stores can improve service, respond to issues, and create a better customer experience. So that's all from me on Customer Survey's tutorial. I'll catch you guys in our next video.